So let's check out Sarah's shop. Sarah has got S Craft leather, and I don't know why these shop banners never load on the first page load. They always take a moment here. So let's see. We got S Craft leather workshop. We design handmade jewelry, handbags, and other accessories. And you got your first sale. So congratulations, Sarah. That first sale is the hardest one. I know. It's a tough one, but I'll be honest with you. My second and third sales were also really difficult. They took a long time. I finally got my first sale. I was like, yay, a sale. And then like another month later, I got another sale. I'm like, oh my God, a sale. Now I'm going to get sales. And then it was another month until I got that third sale. And then finally things picked up after that. Woo. Thank the Lord. So let's check this out. Again, personal photo and name I think helps, but it is your own personal choice. And let's look at what we got here. So we got some Halloween earrings, pumpkin stud earrings, leather earrings, jack-o'-lantern earrings, leather earrings. Okay. Now, are these studs? I thought a stud was like I thought a stud was something else. I thought these look more like a dangle earring. And you're welcome, Alice. So I don't know that these are a stud, but I mean, I'm not an earrings expert, but I always thought a stud was like a solid little poke through piece. These look a little bit more like a dangle. So I don't know if that keyword really makes sense. And let's zoom in. Here we go. Cute little guys. Super simple. Yeah, these are pretty. And let's see what else. Leather bird keychains. Okay, I kind of like this one. Leather bird keychains. Bird key holder charm. Keychains, cool keychains, genuine leather. Okay, good keywords there. Now, I will say this is definitely going to be a tough price. And I know this is, your handmade product. And it is hard to, get the price right sometimes. But I don't know. I think you're going to have a real struggle making a sale for $48 on something like this. Just being is a pretty small product. 48, if we look up leather bird keychains, 15, 25, 10, 8, 15, 11. I don't really see anything close to your price range. So just being straight up, it's going to be real difficult for you to make any sales if on a product like this that's priced at 48. So it's pretty high. If that is what it is, then maybe it's a product that just doesn't make a lot of sense to produce a whole lot. If you have to price it that high in order to be willing to produce it and sell it. But now let's look at this one. Blue leather keychain. This is cute. I think this could be a winner product because it looks really nice. This is a great looking product. Blue leather keychain, paw print leather keychain. So let's check that one out first because I think that's your most relevant keyword. Paw print keychain, 611 results. So not dramatic, but there you are. Number one page. You're on the first page in 2 slots. So you're doing great. Let's go see what other keywords because this one excites me. It looks like what I would call a winner product. Dog dad. There we go. So I'm trying to find what other keywords could you use. Dog dad keychain. So other keyword ideas. Let's come up with a few right here. So the first one I don't think is the best keyword for you. Blue leather keychain, because what makes this product unique is the paw print, right? So I think paw print leather keychain is going to be better for your number one. Dog lover's gift, that might even be your number 2 because it's just relevant. Dog lover gift, 126,000. Let's look up dog lover keychain. Okay, 6,454. So that's a really good one right there. It's dog lover keychain. I would put that. Now let's see. We got paw print dog lover keychain was 6,000. And then paw print leather keychain was 600. And let's just get rid of leather. Let's just look up paw print keychain, 8,000. There we go. Great keyword quantity right there. 8,759. So that's actually a really good keyword right there. 8,000. And blue leather, genuine leather, dog lover gift. So I would recommend just doing more keyword research, but I think paw print keychain is your winner keyword right there. It's got 8,000 searches. It's really relevant. Your product is really special and unique, really pretty. You know, and it fits into this category. You're a little bit different. There's a lot of people offering this little plastic, but that just doesn't seem as high quality. Yours is definitely special, but I don't think you need to specify leather, because when we added leather, we went down to 611 results. But if somebody's looking for a paw print keychain, they might, you know, I don't know that they care that much whether it's a metal or a plastic or a leather keychain. I would make that your first keyword, paw print keychain, because it's so relevant to your product and it has really strong search results. The sweet spot is keywords between 5 and 25,000. So that one falls right within it. And I think you've got a great product there. So maybe don't change, because you've already got ranked on that one keyword right here. So maybe don't make any changes to these listings because they are ranked under that keyword. What you can do is just go in, copy this product, and then you could change it out and hit that one on the number one. And I don't know what your first sale was. It looks like you sold these earrings, but that one looks like a winner to me because I like the look of it, the size. It looks real pretty. And now the one thing, this one's blue. You could also do a drop down. I would recommend adding a drop down right here that would allow them to choose a different color if they wanted to. And I would still call it blue, but you could, so you're hitting that blue keyword, but you could add a drop down right there and you could say, you know, let them pick red, brown, green, or blue, and they could get a different one. And then the other photo I think would be really helpful would be a size photo. So I would just put a quarter in one of these pictures so I can see how big it is next to a quarter, because a quarter, everybody knows how big a quarter is. And if there was a quarter there, because I don't totally know, maybe you have dimensions 9 centimeters, which is going to be what, like 3 inches or so. But you know, for all of us Americans not on the metric system, we don't really know what 9 centimeters is so intrinsically. So a little quarter in the photo would really help for me to be able to know exactly how big it is. But that's a great product. I think that one is so cute, and definitely something people would like. Blue leather keychain, paw print keychain, dog lover gift, genuine leather key ring. Add a few more keywords, dog gift. If this is a specific dog print that people would know, you know, Great Dane paw print or something, you could even use some of those keywords in there. Although I'm guessing it's probably not a Great Dane, but great looking shop, Sarah. I really like it. And I like that product. That one's a favorite. I'm going to favorite that one. So